Good morning. This is Chef Alan, and I want to show you how to make an antioxidant smoothie, one that I have every morning for breakfast. They are delicious and extremely helpful. I'm calling it antioxidant because that's a focus, but it does a lot of things for you. First of all, though, let's talk about what antioxidants are and what oxidants are and why we need antioxidants to work against them. Some oxygen molecules become superoxides, which are called free radicals. They're unstable, strong, and can damage your cells. Oxidants that become free radicals can damage your genes and can cause genetic mutations in your DNA, which is the information that builds cells. And that may cause cancer. Free radicals also make you age, and like oxidizing of rusting iron, literally making you rust away. The telomere tips of your chromosomes can be worn down by oxidation, damaging your DNA. If they are oxidized away, the cell dies, and eventually you die. Antioxidants are phytonutrients, which are plant nutrients that neutralize oxidants. We're reducing the DNA damage and even reversing it. The standard American diet, standard American diet called SAD, S-A-D, has only about 25 antioxidant units. For example, eggs have 8 units and cornflakes have 25. This morning smoothie that we're going to take a look at here has 323 units of blueberries and 1 teaspoon of Indian gooseberry powder with 753 units. So this has well over 1,000 units in one smoothie that you could have once, and you've beaten all of the SAD breakfasts for all week. So let's get started with our mise en place, which means in French, everything set up in place and ready to go, which we have here. So first of all, I start with hibiscus tea, and hibiscus comes in little flowers like this, dried, and you can make the tea with a tea container and just put some of that in here and stir it in, and you have hibiscus tea. I drink it regularly. It'll lower your blood pressure by five points, which is significant if you have that concern. And blood pressure is really the silent killer if you don't take care of it. So we'll put a little bit of that in here. And I have our Vitamix, which I like. So we'll put in some hibiscus tea. And next, we'll put in some different powders, and I'll put in some nutritional yeast. Now, nutritional yeast is fantastic for building up your immunity system, and I haven't had a cold in 13 years now since I've been on this diet, not one cold. And it also helps with allergies, all kinds of things, but it's very powerful. Throw in 1 or 2 of those. Nutritional yeast. Don't get brewer's yeast. It's rather bitter, but nutritional yeast, fantastic. Then we can put in a few walnuts. They are excellent for omega-3s, fats, which are very good. Walnuts are the top of the antioxidants of the nuts. We can put in some flaxseed, a jar of flaxseed here. And I made this up. You buy the flax seeds, and they have a shell around them, a little tiny shell. They're very tiny little seeds. But you should grind them up in your coffee grinder, because otherwise you don't get the benefits from your flax, which is a very high antioxidant, and again, omega-3s, which is good. So let's throw in some of that. There we go. That's the flax. And let's see, how about some blueberries? I like to buy large bags of frozen blueberries. They're inexpensive, you get them all year round. And I like to, you know, that's the, you put in about half a cup of those. Oh, let's put them all in. They make the whole dish delicious. Blueberries, okay. And those were, that amount was right there with 323 units of antioxidant units. We can put in some fresh fruit. And here's some papaya. And some strawberries. And just about any fruit. You should vary the fruit so you get different kinds of phytonutrients as you go along. Good idea. Then I have some really fantastic spices. Now this is organic turmeric. And turmeric is a great antioxidant as well. It has a great deal of power in keeping your system clean. And so I put some of that in there. And I also make my own. I mix, you can get this stuff from any supermarket, but you should add black pepper to it because it increases its availability to your body by 2,000%, research shows. That's turmeric. Here's one fenugreek. This I put in, it helps build muscle. So actually, one study they found that you would, people who are doing weightlifting and pushing up with their legs on heavy weights could lift 80 more pounds by taking this fenugreek, which is kind of a bitter spice, but it blends right in with the blueberries. And here's the amla. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry, and that was over 753 units of antioxidant. That's what really puts it over the top. Great stuff. Okay. And last but not least are leaves. You know, we evolved eating leaves. They were the easiest thing. Animals kind of run away from you, but leaves don't. And so that is a major thing. And actually, when you think about it, things like spinach leaves, they are high in antioxidants, fiber, protein, vitamin C, E, K, thiamine, riboflavin, calcium, magnesium, and others. It's a very potent kind of ingredient here. So we put some of those in there. Okay, there we are. And now, put the top on. And I turn it down here and flip it on. And there is a delicious morning breakfast antioxidant smoothie. That is so good. And that can keep you going to lunch easily. Plus there's no fat, or there's appreciable fat, and extremely healthy. So I hope you enjoyed that, and give it a try. You really can't miss. It's delicious. All right, thank you. Appreciate your attention.